Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest in tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of power supplies with the GAMEMAX 850W 80+ Gold power supply. But before we delve into the details, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's kick things off with the unboxing of the GAMEMAX 850W power supply. Inside the box, you'll find a sleek and powerful unit designed to elevate your gaming experience. The GAMEMAX 850W is 80+ Gold certified, delivering an impressive 90% or higher efficiency under typical loads. This translates to power savings and reduced heat, ensuring your rig performs at its peak while keeping costs in check. Here's the exciting part. It's ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready, offering a remarkable 200% total power excursion and 300% GPU power excursion. This means it's fully compatible with high-performance NVIDIA 40 series graphics cards. And guess what? The package includes a 1.2V HPWR cable for hassle-free installation and future upgrades. The GAMEMAX power supply is built to last with 100% Japanese capacitors. These premium components ensure long-lasting reliability and a stable output with 5 volts 3.3 volts DC-DC. Plus, it comes with the peace of mind of a 5-year warranty. Elevate your gaming rig style with ARGB sync. This feature seamlessly integrates vibrant lighting effects with the ARGB software of most mainstream motherboards, allowing you to customize your setup to match your mood or game. Keeping things cool is crucial, and the GAMEMAX power supply has you covered with a whisper-quiet 140mm fan. It excels at heat dissipation without producing any distracting noise, ensuring a silent gaming experience. Organization enthusiasts, rejoice! The GAMEMAX 850W power supply features a fully modular design. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to optimized airflow. Installing and managing your cables has never been easier. In conclusion, the GAMEMAX 850W 80+ Gold power supply is your ticket to powering up your gaming rig with efficiency, reliability, and style. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, this power supply won't disappoint. What do you think of the GAMEMAX 850W power supply? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.